In this video I will show you how to make free PayPal money, which is one of the best ways to make money online. How to do it, we're about to find out. This is how to make free PayPal money. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I post daily making money online videos to help you make money fast with the easiest tricks on the internet. The first website we have is called InstaGC. InstaGC pays you to complete surveys, watch videos, and shop online and search the web. You get paid by PayPal and get your money instantly by PayPal. Guys, don't skip through any part of this video so you don't miss any step of how to make money online. And they give you gifts, and when you redeem your points for gifts, they give you your money. That's the first website. You create a username, password, email address, and then you sign up and you start making money. If you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to share this video and comment below. Do more making money online videos so I could keep posting daily videos. The second website or app we have is called App Karma. App Karma rewards you by playing with apps. It's free. It's for iOS and Android users. You complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gifts. You get paid by PayPal or gift cards, which is actually great. As you guys can see, when you share the link with somebody and someone downloads this app, you get free money. Karma Plays lets you earn daily rewards for playing with the app you have installed on App Karma. Simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for and play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. So actually play games and you start making money easily, and the money will get to your PayPal account. So achievement badges, when you get a reward, and when you get reward you start earning money. You're gonna get free gift cards, which is one of the best ways to make money. Actually, App Karma, it's great, and the first website, InstaGC, is also great. Like I told you guys, you can complete surveys, watching videos, shop online, search for the web. You're gonna make crazy amount of money. I suggest using App Karma the most because you get the highest money. As you guys can see, 10 PayPal money, $50, $25, $5 Amazon gift cards. Like, imagine doing this every single day. Let's say we're gonna try to earn $10 every 5 minutes. Let's say you complete a survey or you watch an app or something, you're gonna earn $5 times 60. You're gonna make $100 per hour. So go right now, sign up, download it on your iOS or Android, and you're gonna make crazy amount of money. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and comment below. Do more making money online so I could post daily making money online.